Okay, here, the grasshopper. Just take the legs off and shoot it. Pretty much like deep fried shrimp. And the next one is big fat cricket. Again, take the legs off and chew the whole thing. Very chewy. And then bamboo worm tastes very much like French fry in a tiny size. Good. Very nutty there. This is a silkworm. The inside part of the cocoon. Again, deep fried. Very nutty taste. The next one is scorpion. Some people prefer to have that tail taken off, but some just the tip of the tail taken off just prevent you from chewing poison. But anyway, think of soft shell crab.
Bamboo worms, the best nature can provide, cooked with tea, with herbs, oil, delicious. Now you'll get these at the NBC commissary, of course, but they're in your food. They're not treated. They're whatever was crawling around. Here, cooked perfectly. Delicious. Bon appetit.